In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a layout from another drawing in AutoCAD. If you've ever set up a perfect title block, page setup, or viewport arrangement and wished you could reuse it in another file, this is the cleanest, most reliable way to do it. We will use the From Template option, which is recommended because it pulls layouts directly from existing files and keeps everything consistent. Start in the drawing where you want the layout to appear. Look down at the Layout tabs along the bottom of your AutoCAD window. Right-click on any layout tab, such as the default Layout 1. From the menu that opens, choose From Template. This tells AutoCAD you want to import a layout from another file rather than creating one from scratch. A file dialog will pop up. In this window, change the files of type drop-down to drawing.dwg. This ensures you can browse standard AutoCAD drawings as your source. The same drop-down also supports templates and Exchange files, so if your layout lives in a DWT or a DXF, you can choose those as well. Navigate to the file that contains the layout you want, select it, and click Open. AutoCAD will show you a list of all the layouts found in that source file. This list represents the paper space tabs from that drawing. Select the layout you want to bring in. If you need more than one, hold the Control key and click to pick multiple layouts at the same time. When you are ready, click OK. Your chosen layouts are now added to the current drawing as new tabs. They come in with their page setups, plot styles, viewports, and paper space content intact. So you don't have to rebuild anything. Your model space remains unchanged, and you can switch to any imported layout immediately to continue working or plotting. This is especially helpful for maintaining a standard sheet format across a project without copying and pasting elements or recreating print settings. If you don't see the layout you expected, double-check that you opened the correct file and that the source actually contains named layout tabs beyond model. Also, keep an eye on naming. The imported layouts will appear alongside your existing tabs. So it's a good idea to keep your standards clear to avoid confusion later. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.